Hi, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. Today I'm going to swatch this little HipDot palette. Oh, hello lighting. This HipDot palette, it's called Light Rays. It was part of a very generous free makeup haul that I got. I absolutely love these colors, so let me go ahead and swatch them for you. So when I first saw this, I thought it was going to be, like a rosy or blue colors. Look at these colors. Whoa! It's this awesome, like shimmery, bright, neon-y palette. It does have a mirror. I'm going to go ahead and take that away. I don't think it has a pulley thing. Yeah, so 9 colors. Let me see if there's any eye warnings. It does say pressed pigment palette, which means that they can't legally call it an eyeshadow because some of them might be not technically deemed for eye use. I don't see any eye warnings on it, and I don't see any marks on the actual palette itself. It says the Light Rays palette was inspired by summer, warmth, rays of sunshine, flowers. What does it say? Ethereal light and a touch of overindulgence. This 9-shade topper palette features a unique high shimmer iridescent formula that has a sheer base of giving you the option of applying it over your eyeshadow or as a sheer wash of iridescent glow. I would not describe these as iridescent, they are pigmented. So I'm going to go ahead and put the palette up on the screen so you can see. Sorry, my hands are shaking a little bit. I'm having kind of a rough mental health day, but carrying on here. So the first one is called Moonbeam. It's a shimmery green. Don't worry about this lipstick swatches down here. It's not going to interfere. The second one is a shimmery blue. Look at how gorgeous that is. It's called Glow. These really hold their own. They do not need to be over top of anything to show. The next one is called Sunset. It is a gorgeous, bright, shimmery, opaque coral. Oh, it's so pretty. Something about the shimmer in these, the reflect is just so gorgeous. The next one is called Flare. It's a hot pink glitter. Next one's called Energy. My swatches are kind of going a little circular here. That's pretty orange. Next is called Aurora. It's a nice pretty green. It's coming off a little more olive on the swatching. There we go. The next one is called Solar. This is more purple leaning. It's like a red violet color. Wait till you see this next one. It's called Radiance. Holy crap. It's like a reddish pink. It's so bright, so pigmented. I just love it. It's gorgeous. And then the last one is called Shine, and it's like a straight up orangey, coppery color. So there are the swatches for this cute little HipDot palette. Definitely going to be using this in some looks. I'm really happy with the formula of these HipDot shadows. I've never used HipDot eyeshadow before, or pressed pigment, right? So excited to use this. Let me know how the brand tends to go, if it's this high pigmented, high shimmer kind of quality. Yeah, leave a comment. Please subscribe. All you have to do is click on it. It's free and it just helps me out a lot. And it reminds you if there's videos when you go into YouTube, it lets you know that I have a new one. So thank you for that, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye. I need a paper towel again because I don't have 9 fingers. It's a gorgeous shimmery blue. I'm sorry, I think it's a green. Somehow I only have 9 colors and I'm still running out of room.